Hi, today I'm with me DOOGEE X97 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere and now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, click close, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery health. So in my case, battery is in good condition, and also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.